I'm writing to you today because I have a problem that seems impossible to resolve. I don't really know what to do anymore. It seems like life gives me difficulties and it's always the same. It's the same story I need to repeat again and again and again. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
PCBWay is the kind sponsor of this video. They provided me a batch of prototype PCBs. They are one of my favorite one-pit stop for all my projects because they offer PCB manufacturing and assembling like today's project at a reasonable price. Simply upload your file on their website and they have an instant quote. They also have a ton of additive and subtractive manufacturing also at a good price. Thanks PCBWay.
Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Counterprocessor Shop, and in today's video I want to share something I've been working on that will make my life a lot more easier, and this is the PICOre. The PICOre, it's a tiny RP2040 stamp module I designed to save me time in PCB design and assembly. I know there's a lot of similar things out there, but this one, it's built specifically for what I need, and I think you will see why it could be worth it for you too. If you ever design a PCB, you know how tedious it can get. Every time I design a new board, I need to redo the microcontroller section, and let's be honest, mistakes happens, and forget one resistor and you already troubleshooting something that shouldn't be an issue in the first place. And the PICOre solves that for me. Now I've got this reliable module that I can just drop into any design. At least I know that the microcontroller part works. And yeah, speaking of mistakes, I've made a small mistakes on the prototype version. Of course, it will be fixed in the official release, but that's exactly why I wanted this, so I'm not repeating the same tedious process over and over. I know some of you are probably thinking, why not using just a Raspberry Pi Pico? And well, I love the Pico for prototyping. It's fantastic for breadboard and for quick test, but for final product, not so much. It's too big for some design, the shapes and all. It doesn't always look great when space is tight. The PICOre, on the other hand, is a lot smaller. It's about 29 by 33 millimeters. It's sleeker, and the integration on custom PCB is much nicer. And it's got everything you need on board, like USB protection and all the standards RP2040 or Pico feature, and you can easily access all the 47 possible GPIO. The USB and SWD pins are tucked underneath, kind of like a BGA, but can be soldered with through-hole pads. So soldering is still pretty straightforward. For the GPIOs, it's also first mount pad around the edge, simple, compact, and effective. Here's the thing, like on the Apollo controller board project, I had to hand place every single components. It was brutal. The 0402 components were the worst, not only tedious but also prone to rework. Now with the PICOre, I'm skipping the placement of around 35 tiny components. That's a huge time save for me, at least for my girlfriend, because she's placing all the components by hand, and it means fewer chance to mess things up. And yeah, it's not just about saving time, it's about sanity. Designing an assembly PCB should feel exciting and not like a chore. I designed the PICOre on KiCad, and it's going to be completely open source like usual. Why? Because I want people to be able to take this idea and tweak it and make it their own. In the future, I'm planning to create more module for this ecosystem, maybe using the new or Raspberry Pi microcontrollers. The goal is to keep everything pin-to-pin compatible, so upgrading your project is as simple to just swapping one module for another. Right now, I got a small batch of PICores ready. If you are interested in trying one out, just reach out to me on our new Discord server. And yeah, some of you know that our Discord server got hacked and we lost everything, unfortunately. It sucks, but we're starting fresh, so if you want to hang out and share ideas, ask questions about the PICOre or any other future project, come join the community. So yeah, that's the PICOre, a little module that's saving me time, that will save me time, stress and mistakes. And it's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about making things simpler and more enjoyable for myself and anyone else who wants to use it. Oh, and here's a fun little detail I couldn't resist to adding. On the underside of the PICOre, I drew a tiny fossil. The idea is when this board is soldered onto the PCB, no one will ever going to see it. But let's say someone gets curious and desolder it and flip it over, they will find this little long forgotten surprise waiting for them. I don't know if it's one of those things that just makes me smile. I hope it makes someone else smiles too in the future when they stumble across it. And if you got any thoughts or idea on the PICOre or just want to chat about our own project, drop a comment below or find us on Discord. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. See you soon.